The most powerful thing about computers is that they can repeat things over and over very quickly. So there are several ways to repeat things in Python programming language. The most common of which is for loop. Let's have a structure of for loop. Let's clear this. For variable name in range number of times to repeat and colon. The word for is must in lowercase. It should be in lowercase. Uppercase, the Python program will not accept this. And secondly, when we write this, when we write for variable name and range in the bracket, we have written number of times to repeat. What to repeat? Statement to be repeated. So this is the variable name, whatever we write, I, J, K, or anything else, name, whatever we write. So in is must here. So after that, range. So and the bracket, number of times to be repeated will be written after that colon, and the statement, here we write the statement. So the statement will be indented here. So it is must, the statement should be indented. So indentation is in Python is used to tell Python which statement to be repeated. So here, if we indent this statement here, so the Python will know number of times to repeat this statement will be this statement. Okay, so if I have another statement here, it will not be included in for loops structure because it is out of for loop. So let's have an example here. I want to clear this. For I in range of 10. See, this is for is must here in lowercase. After that, variable name is I in range of 10, number of repetition. So 10 times it should be repeat the statement which I write. Which statement? Print hello world. This statement should be repeat 10 times. Now I want to save this and Python for that py. So it is 10 times it is printed, as you see here, 10 times it is printed. And let's have another example here. I want to have a little trickier example. I want to clear this, and for n in range of 3, let's have 3 here, and after that number is equal to, or here I want to write integer. I want to mention the type of the variable, which is integer, and number is equal to integer input enter a number. So here it takes a number. After it, print. What to print? So I want to print the square of that number. Square of number is num multiply number. So this is completely included in for loop. When I print, it is almost completed. So let's have a sentence or a statement out of this loop. out of for loop, which will not be included in for loop. So I want to have a print here, print. So the loop is now done. Okay, the loop is now done. So this print statement, which at the end I have written the loop is now done, this will not be included in for loop. Okay, this is the structure of for loop completely in this example. So now I want to print this. I want to, here it asks, as you see, enter a number. I want to enter 2. When I enter 2, the answer should be 4, because 2 multiplied 2 will be 4. So the square of number is 4. Enter a number. It will ask once again, because we said that here it should ask 3 times, because the range, here we have mentioned the range should be 3. It should ask 3 times. After 3 times, it will show this statement. The loop is now done. So I want to, once again, I want to enter a number. For example, 4. The square of number is 16. Once again, 5. It should give us 25. 25. And at the end, the statement we have written out of the loop has shown to us. The loop is now done. Okay. So this is another part. So let's have another things which is most important in for loop. Is let's clear this, or I want to write this loop variable, which is very much important structure. So loop variable, which is most important and is a little tricky. So when the loop first starts, Python sets the variable to 0 if we want a number. So let's have an example for I and range of 10, for example. Now let me talk about this example. Hello. Okay, I want to clear this because it is not used here. So here when the loop first starts, so the Python programming or Python sets the variable I to 0. This is the variable, so the I will be set to 0 when it starts first. And after that, each time we loop back up, Python increases the value of I by 1. So once again, where we run this program, this will increase the number 1 by 1. If it is 0, it will be 1. Again, it will be 2. Again, it will be 3. Like this, it will increases. The Python will increase the number of this by 1. So the program loops 100 times or 10 times, whatever range we will give here. It is up to us. Let's see how many numbers will it print. So once again, I want to talk roughly. When we first start, the variable will be 0. The value of I will be 0, like this. I is equal to 0. It will start from 0. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it reaches to 100, so it will become I will be equal to 99. How? Let's run this program which I have written here. Okay, print this. We see whether it prints the correct answer or not. Here the for loop, we are running the for loop here till range of 100, and we print the variable I, which it goes till 99. It starts from 0 until 99. See here, as I said, it will increase by 1. So it is till 99. If we want to print till 100, so what we do? 101, because it starts from 0 and go to till 101, and the range is 101, and it will print till 100. So let's save it, and I want to print it once again. So this is 100. This is 100, but it starts from 0. It starts from 0 and ends into 100. Why? So let's we want this the for loop. When we run this, it should not print the 0. It should not start from the 0. It should start directly from 1. So what we do, we write here 1 and after that comma. It will tell that starts from 1 and end till whatever we have kept the range. So the range is 101 and it will start from 1. So it will print as we see what will be the value. See, 100. And let me show you from the starting that whether it starts from 1 or not. Exactly. See, the answer is correct. It started from 1 and ended into 100. So let's have another example here. Range function. What is range function? So as we see here that for I and range, for variable name, whatever we write I, J, K, or name or any other thing. So for variable name and range of 100, this, that, the number of repetition which we want here, we write here. So what is the range? The range function is very much important. Here we should understand it. So the value we put in the range function determines how many times we will loop. The way range function works is it produces a list of numbers from 0 or from the value which we assign. For example, here we want that the value should start from 1. Produces a list of numbers from 0 or from the number from 1, from any number to the value -1. For example, here we have written 101, but we have seen that it started from 1 but ended into 100. So the value which we give here -1, it will produce. So let's have an example here how it works. For I in range of 1, it should start from 1 and into 5. It should go from 5 to 5. So print what? I. So when we print I, guess what will be the answer. So I want to have the answer before printing this. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 4 because we said that it will print from the value which we assign, from the value which we give the value -1. So we have given here that 5, -1 will be 4. It will print 4 number. Okay, I want to clear this and print whether it gives the same number or not. See, exactly same number it has given. 1, 2, 3, 4 it has given. Okay, if we want to print till 5, because we have written here 1 till 5, but it does not print till 5, it prints till 4. So I want to print till 5, one value will be higher. So now I want to print this. It will give 5 number to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you see. So let's clear this. I think let's have another example here. What if we want the range should start from the opposite? How? If you want the range of 5, it should print for us at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It should print for us like this. How we can print this? So let's have this example. For I and range, or whatever we write, for number, for example, for number and range of 5, 0, -1. Here -1 tells us that start from the opposite. Okay, column. Print Python is a case sensitive programming. We cannot write the capital one here. as I said in earlier videos. So I want to print the I. Okay, let's have a statement out of the loop. Print hello. Okay, so let's print this. What it tells us? Yeah, see here, most recent call, print I, name error, name is not defined here. So how? As I said, variable name is not defined here. I have given here number, but I want to print here the I, so I want to change this as well. So again, I want to print. See, the loop ended 5 4 3 2 1, and hello sentence or hello statement is out of the loop.